Example immunization rate calculation. Immunization rates, also sometimes called vaccination coverage levels, give a sense of the level of protection against vaccine-preventable illnesses at a facility. An immunization rate tells you the percentage of residents or staff who are up to date on a particular vaccine as of a specific month or date. The higher the rate of immunization among residents and staff, the lower the risk of vaccine-preventable illness within a long-term care facility. Finding the numerator, denominator, and immunization rate. We'll use the example of Silver Cedars Nursing Home to show how to calculate a resident immunization rate. In this example, we'll look at the rate of residents who are up to date on the RSV vaccine in the month of December. As of the end of December, Silver Cedars has 50 current residents. 2 residents have a contraindication for the RSV vaccine, such as an allergy to a vaccine ingredient. This means that they should not receive the vaccine. We remove these residents when calculating the immunization rate. This leaves us with a total of 48 residents eligible for the RSV vaccine. This is the denominator, or bottom number, of the rate calculation. Of these 48 residents, 35 are up to date on the RSV vaccine. 35 is the numerator, or top number, of the rate calculation. 35 residents up to date on the RSV vaccine out of 48 eligible residents gives us a 73% RSV immunization rate. To calculate staff immunization rates, follow a similar procedure. Count the number of current employees who are eligible for a recommended vaccine, such as the annual flu vaccine. Remove any employees with a contraindication for that vaccine. Count the number of employees who are up to date on the vaccine. Divide the number of employees who are up to date by the total number of employees eligible for the vaccine. This will give you the staff immunization rate for that vaccine. Immunization rates are snapshots. They will fluctuate over time as residents are admitted and leave the facility. Staff are hired or leave the facility. Residents and staff receive recommended vaccines. And as vaccine recommendations change or are updated for seasonal vaccines. For example, each year when a new flu vaccine becomes available, resident and staff flu immunization rates will reset to 0. As residents and staff receive the new flu vaccine, the immunization rates will gradually climb. Monitor immunization rates over time to guide efforts to protect more residents and staff from vaccine-preventable illness.